Very useful. How to add translation to AutoCAD. COINSTRANSLATE app. Go to this link, you will find it in the description below the video, available at the Autodesk App Store. Sign in with your Autodesk account. Log in with your account. If you do not have an account, create a new account. Click Next. Enter the password and click Sign in. Now click Download. Then click Save App to your device. App has been downloaded. This is the application installation file. Let's install it on the device. Double-click. Here we will find the application two options, the first for AutoCAD versions from 2016 to 2021, and the second for AutoCAD versions from 2012 to 2015. We choose according to our AutoCAD version. We have here the 2021 version. Click Next. And click Install. After installation completes, click Finish. This is the help page. You will find all the information about the application. Now open AutoCAD and see how our plugin works. This is a DWG file I created earlier to explain how to use subtitles inside AutoCAD. We go to the command line and enter the command. COINSTRANSLATE. Then press Enter. Now choose the text you want to translate. The application window will pop up. We'll see how it works. Here is the original language of the text, or keep it on for automatic language detection. Here you choose the language you want to translate the text to. You can navigate the menu to choose the language you want. For example, we will translate the text from English into Dutch. Choose the language we want to translate into, then click Go. Nice, look, the translation has been completed for the specified text. Let's try it again. Go to the command line and enter the command again. COINSTRANSLATE. This text is in Spanish, and we will translate it into English. Choose the English language, then click Go. See, the text has been translated into English. Let's try it again. Go to the command line and enter the command again. COINSTRANSLATE. This text in German will be translated into English. Choose English, then click Go. Yes, it has been translated into English. This text is in Italian. We will translate it into English. It has been translated into English. We will translate this text from English into Arabic. Choose the Arabic language, then click Go. Yes, it works great. We will try another one, translation into Arabic. Well, we'll translate from Arabic into simplified Chinese. Well, we will translate from Arabic to English. I think this application is great and useful, and it is easy to use, that's all. You will find all the links used in the description below the video.